In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to utilize Microsoft's powerful suite of online tools to create and present your data in a dynamic and visually appealing way. Let's dive straight into the process of how you can make the most out of Microsoft 365 Online, particularly focusing on Excel and its chart creation features. First things first, we begin by navigating to the free Microsoft 365 Online portal, which offers access to Word, Excel, and PowerPoint online. Now, if you've yet to experience the convenience of Microsoft's online suite, you're in for a treat. Microsoft 365 Online brings the functionality and flexibility of its desktop applications to your web browser, allowing for easy access and collaboration. Once you reach the Microsoft 365 Online homepage, the next step is relatively straightforward. You'll want to click on Sign In. If you already have an account, great. If not, don't worry, creating one is a breezy process. This step ensures you can save and access your documents anytime, anywhere, which is one of the many benefits of using the online version. After clicking Sign In, the next page prompts you to enter your email. Here's where you'll either log into your existing Microsoft account or possibly receive an option to create a new one. The magic of Microsoft's ecosystem starts with your email, linking all your files and preferences across devices and applications. Following your email submission, hitting Next takes you closer to the realm of productivity. The successive steps are primarily for security and personalization, which Microsoft takes very seriously to ensure the safety and integrity of your data. Now that we're logged in, let's dive into the main attraction, Excel. For demonstration purposes, we'll use an example datasheet that is commonly found within business and academic settings. This example helps illustrate how seamlessly one can transition from raw data to compelling charts. Once your datasheet is loaded, the next step is to highlight the specific dataset you wish to visualize. This action is crucial because it determines which data points will be reflected in your chart, affecting its clarity and impact. Here's a pro tip. Ensure your data is organized and clean for the best results. Now for the exciting part, bringing your data to life. Click on Insert and explore the myriad of chart types at your disposal. Microsoft Excel offers a wide range, from bar and line charts to more complex scatter plots and area charts. Each type serves a different purpose, so consider what best represents your data set before making a selection. For this tutorial, we'll focus on creating a column chart, which is excellent for comparing different items or showing changes over time. Selecting column brings up various subtypes, each providing a different perspective on your data. Choose one that best fits your narrative. And just like that, with a few clicks, you've transformed a static datasheet into a dynamic, visually engaging chart that can enhance presentations, reports, or any document requiring a compelling data story. Let's wrap up with a few additional pointers to ensure you get the most out of this process. First, experiment with different chart types to find what best conveys your message. Second, take advantage of Excel Online's real-time collaboration feature, allowing multiple users to view and edit documents simultaneously. Lastly, don't forget to save your work to OneDrive, ensuring you never lose access to your files. Congratulations, you've successfully navigated the basics of using Microsoft 365 Online to create a chart in Excel. Whether you're a student, professional, or just someone with a keen interest in data visualization, the skills you've learned today are invaluable and widely applicable. Keep experimenting, exploring, and pushing the limits of what you can achieve with Microsoft's powerful online tools. Happy charting!